Now let me share with you a letter that came to me yesterday. The lady and her husband are here tonight. They're here all the time. She said, you closed on the 11th of December. Well, this happened on the 7th. The lecture before the last. It was a Monday night. And you were simply using the 14th chapter of the book of John. And suddenly, at almost the very end of your lecture, I found myself standing in a huge temple, standing at the entrance. I was about to leave, and I thought I would simply take one more look at the interior of this temple, because I was about to depart. As I looked in, every wall had 2 columns, and then a door leading through the columns. They're all equally spaced. And in front of the doorway, which led out, there was a statue. And I knew, he said, that I could put that statue on as I would a garment. But I knew if I did, I would have to experience all that was contained within that statue. But I also knew I had already done it. All these I had played. They were all individual statues at the doorway between the 2 columns. And there were simply many doorways within the interior of this huge, huge temple. And then I felt what enormous satisfaction that I have done it. I have completed the work that I came to do. And then I came back to the lecture. And then the lecture was almost over. That night when we went home, my husband and I put on the tape. And I knew when I had dropped from hearing you audibly here and found myself standing at the entrance, departing from this enormous, huge temple. For I make notes as you speak, and the last note I made was this: he is not the God that he wore. That's the last thing I wrote down. All is spirit. And then I came back. You spoke beyond that, but I had no note beyond that. That was my last note. So when you said, he is not the garment that he wore, it was then that I found myself standing in the entrance to this huge, huge temple. And these statues, and every one, was something I could have worn as easily as I now wear a dress. And then I realized I have worn them. I have played all this. I don't have to replay them. I have played them. I have experienced everything that I can give to anyone, leaving them there for anyone else to experience it. I can't thank you enough for that. What a wonderful vision, and may I tell you how true it is.